Hi everybody and welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video I am going to tell you why won't your House of Marley get together speaker not charging. So, the issue might be that your cable is broken. Try trying a different cable, try ordering different cable and check if your cable does work. But before that, you have to turn off your speaker and then check if your battery LED light is turned on. If it is turned on, then your speaker is charging. Don't worry, it works. Everything works fine. And yeah, if it doesn't work, your cable doesn't work, you have to contact the device support. That's it. Hope it helps you and goodbye.